The third school-ready knowledge area, KSEP item 9, is understands that numbers represent quantity. For this item, you could use some small objects. Put 7 to 10 on the table and then ask the students if they can tell you how many there are. Watch to see if they're counting and if they're touching while they count and using one-to-one correspondence. You may see a student who is counting 1, 2, 3, but they've actually touched 8 items, for instance. This gives you some information as to how you're going to score them. For a not yet score, the student would not be able to tell you how many items there are and doesn't seem to know too much about numbers. An emerging student will know numbers, but they don't associate numbers to the objects. Maybe you have those 10 items and the student has counted and they tell you there are 20 or there are 4. A student who has almost mastered demonstrates number-object correspondence when counting. The student wouldn't be able to count all 10 items, but if they were clearly touching up to 4 or 5 items and they were doing one-to-one correspondence with their finger, touching the right number of objects at a time, you could mark them as almost mastered. For mastered, the student would demonstrate number-object correspondence for the items in front of them, and they can select an accurate number of objects upon request to actually pick up and hand to you. For example, if you ask the student to count 5 items out to you, they would select 5 items and count them out accurately as they hand them back to you.